Hi guys, this is Sadik from .com. In this video, we'll show you how to install the FastbootD drivers onto a Windows 11 PC. Let me show you what exactly is the issue currently. So if I try to open a CMD window over here inside Platform Tools, type in the command of fastboot devices, just see the output, it's all blank. Likewise, if I open a device manager over here, then let me show you, it's under other device with a yellow warning sign. There is no Android or fastboot devices. Android interface is not there. This means the PC is not able to read the phone in fastboot or fastboot mode. So I'll show you how to install the drivers for the fastboot. Thankfully, the drivers and the steps are same for both the fastboot and the fastboot drivers. So it will be a short steps. Let me show you what needs to be done. It's the exactly same driver. Open my article over here, scroll down, and then get the file from here. The driver file, extract them onto your PC. It will be in a zip format. Simply do a right click, extract all. Upon doing so, you will see a few files. So open this, and this is the file, the fastboot and the fastboot driver. This one single file will checkmark all the requirement. So let's now install this onto our PC. So for that, do a right click on your phone, update drivers, browse my PC for drivers. Let me pick, then show all devices, click on next, have disk. Now choose the location where you have this driver files. In my case, this is in the download folder. So now choose the file, Android WinUSB INF, click on open, click on OK. Now choose this one, Android bootloader interface. This is the one for the fastboot and the fastboot mode. Then click on next. You will get a warning sign, click on yes. It will take a few seconds and you will now see your phone will now be gone from here and it will go to the top and under this name, close it. And you will see this means the drivers are now installed and our PC can read the phone in fastboot mode as well. Let's verify it. So let's type in the command fastboot devices, hit the enter key, and you could now see we have got the ID. So the FastbootD drivers are now installed. You could now flash any file of your choice. And that's just about it. If you have any query, let me know in the comment section. And thank you for watching the video.